Today we're taking a closer look at the Cooler Master MWE 700W 230V V2, a budget-friendly 700-watt power supply that has become quite popular among entry-level and mid-range PC builders. At first glance it looks like a standard non-modular PSU, but when we open it up and analyze the internal electronics, there's a lot to say about its design choices and performance. Inside, Cooler Master uses a fairly compact layout with a single main PCB and a daughterboard for the input filtering stage. The filtering is simple but effective. We see the standard set of X and Y capacitors, 2 common mode chokes, and an MOV for surge protection. It's not overbuilt, but it meets the requirements for safe operation on European 230-volt mains. Moving deeper, the rectification stage is handled by a single bridge rectifier mounted on a small heat sink. From there, the power flows to a pair of large electrolytic capacitors rated for 400 volts, typically coming from TEPO or Elite brands. These aren't the most premium capacitors, but they are standard in this price range and provide decent hold-up time. The primary switching topology is a forward converter with active clamp. It's a design that balances cost and efficiency, allowing this PSU to reach the 80+ white certification. While it's not as efficient as bronze or gold units, it's still acceptable for office builds and gaming systems that don't run at full load all the time. On the secondary side, we find synchronous rectification for the plus 12V rail, which is the most important output today since modern systems draw most of their power from it. The plus 5V and plus 3.3V rails are generated through DC-DC converters, a positive point for stability and efficiency. This is better than older group-regulated designs often found in cheaper units. The soldering quality is average but clean. There are no messy joints, and component spacing is reasonable, which helps airflow. The cooling is handled by a 120mm fan, based on a sleeve-bearing design. It's quiet at low to medium loads, though not ideal for 24/7 use in very hot environments. When it comes to protection features, the MWE 700W V2 includes OVP, UVP, OPP, and SCP. However, it lacks OTP, or over-temperature protection, which would have been nice for long-term reliability. In real-world use, this PSU can deliver its rated 700 watts without major voltage drops, but ripple suppression is only average compared to higher-end units. For a budget-oriented build with a mid-range GPU, it's perfectly fine, but I wouldn't pair it with a very power-hungry system. To sum up, the Cooler Master MWE 700W 230V V2 is a cost-effective PSU that provides safe operation, modern DC-DC design, and decent build quality. Its internal electronics are clearly optimized for affordability rather than premium performance, but for users who want a reliable unit at a low price, it does its job well.